That's a great way to put it.
And just like any good performance, there are moments for feedback and reflection.
Okay.
At the end of each sprint, there's a sprint review.
Okay. Time for the big reveal. Everyone puts on their fanciest hard hats and celebrates what they've accomplished.
It's definitely a moment to celebrate.
Okay.
The team gets to show off their working product to the product owner, stakeholders, and anyone else interested in seeing that magic come to life.
So a chance to say, look what we built, isn't it amazing?
Exactly. But it's not just about showing off.
Yeah.
The sprint review is also about gathering valuable feedback from the people who will be using or benefiting from the product.
Feedback is crucial. Like, I imagine it's way better to find out the kitchen counter is the wrong height before it's been installed.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
It's all about getting that feedback early and often so you can make adjustments without, derailing the entire project.
Right.
And speaking of derailing, there's something we haven't talked about yet. Technical debt.
Ooh, technical debt. That sounds a little intimidating.
Yeah.
Is that like forgetting where you put the instruction manual for the power drill? Because I am so guilty of that.
I think we've all been there. Technical debt is more like those little shortcuts we take that seem fine in the moment but can come back to bite us later.
Okay.
So imagine deciding to build that kitchen island with particle board instead of solid wood to, save time and money.
Ooh, I see where this is going. It looks okay at first,